Welcome to another video from your friends here at Altitude University. We're at that point near the end of the year when many different holiday seasons are upon us. From Black Friday to New Year's, there are plenty of excuses to buy a new drone for yourself or someone you know. Stick around and we'll show you our top picks for seasonal drone gift giving. Before we begin, hit those like and subscribe buttons so you can continue to see our drone-related content. Are you looking to buy your first drone? If so, leave us a comment and share what drone you're thinking of buying and what you want to use it for. The popularity of drones has flooded the market with UAVs in all shapes and sizes. You can find drones for every budget. A quick search on Amazon has many drones ranging from under $100 to costing well over $10,000. If you want to buy a drone, whether it's for your business, a holiday gift, or a good way to say goodbye to 2023 and welcome in 2024, we've got you covered. Our team of seasoned drone professionals will recommend the best drones for you or someone you want to get the perfect gift for. We'll cover the following 5 categories in our recommendations: best drones for kids, drones for new pilots, best drones for starting your own drone service business, best drones under $5,000, and best over $5,000. Check out the comments section below where we'll have links to all of our recommendations. Before we dive into that, if you want to ensure that you're an ace flying your new drone, check out our video on practice drills. We'll include a link to the video and its free PDF download of drills at the end of this video, so stick around till the end. Let's start by covering a quick point about the cost of drones. You can find lots of drones that are less than $100. Many of them make claims that they are just as good as drones costing thousands of dollars. In our experience, this just isn't true. As the saying goes, you get what you pay for. Typically, these drones aren't the easiest to fly, have disappointing cameras, and they have batteries that only last a few minutes. If you spend a little more, you get more. We'll give a few recommendations which are just over $100 if you don't want to break the bank. But when it comes to drones, spending over $300 or more is worth the extra cost if you buy the drones on our list. Also, most of these drones will require you to have a smartphone unless you upgrade to remotes with built-in screens. Before making our list, we considered a few factors, including the drone's features, how easy it is to fly, flight times, and value for your money. So without further delay, here are our recommendations. Starting off, let's begin with our best drones for kids. Exposing children to drones at a young age is a great way to build hand-eye coordination and encourage fun using STEM technology. If you're looking to spend around $100, your best bet is the Ryze Tello Mini drone. This drone is built with technology from DJI, so it's a very capable drone for the price. I've had one for a few years and it's really fun to fly. It has a nose-mounted 5-megapixel camera and can take HD 720 videos with a maximum flight time of 13 minutes. You can even start learning how to code with this drone. The basic package is $120, but if you're willing to add a few bucks more, for $149, you get prop guards, extra batteries, and a charging hub. It's totally worth it. Our mid-range drone for kids is the Holystone HS175D. If you purchase the package we have linked below, for $170, you get the drone, remote, extra batteries, a carrying case, and more. We love this drone because of its GPS-assisted flight, a return-to-home safety function, and a number of preloaded flight modes, helping new pilots feel like a pro right off the bat. Our top recommendations for kids is the DJI Mini 3. If you aren't familiar with DJI, they are the biggest drone manufacturer out there at the consumer level. This drone is lightweight and foldable with 4K HDR video, a 38-minute flight time, true vertical shooting, and intelligent flight features. The standard package is about $467, but we highly recommend getting the Fly More combo for $658. This combo includes a carrying case, extra batteries, giving your young pilot plenty of time to enjoy the world from a different perspective. Our next group of drones is ideal for new pilots. Drones are getting easier to learn to fly. Most of the drones above the $300 price limit come with intelligent flight modes that make even first-time pilots aerial aces. For this group, we looked for drones with built-in flight modes that are small enough to not cause any damage if the unlikely crash happens for a new pilot and are under $800. We have 2 recommendations. First up is the Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. This drone is packed with a 1/1.28 inch CMOS sensor capable of 50 megapixel pictures. It has a RYYB color filter array designed for a large aperture of f/1.9 and offers superior noise reduction capabilities and the power to effortlessly produce quality images in low light conditions. It's also the first aircraft series of this size to offer an advanced obstacle avoidance system. You can buy this drone in various bundles from $610 to $800. Our second pick is the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo with RC remote. This drone isn't just for kids. New pilots of all ages will love the features of the Mini 3, especially when flying with a remote that includes a built-in screen. Connecting your smartphone to drones is sometimes a pain, and with this remote, it's no longer an issue. DJI's Mini 3 flight time can be extended up to 51 minutes, making it the longest-lasting DJI camera drone to date. You can begin your UAV adventures with this bundle for less than $800. For many people, the start of the new year conjures up dreams of starting a new business. Getting into the drone industry is affordable and easy to do. We'll include a link at the end of this video showing how you could start a drone business for under $3,000. If you're thinking of starting a drone business, you're probably not going to jump in with buying a drone that costs $20,000 or more. Most drone entrepreneurs start their drone services with simple but high-quality aerial photography. We've picked 3 drones to help you in this group. Our first pick is the DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo, coming in at $1,259. This drone is equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and can capture stunning detail. There are a number of built-in flight modes and safety features. I have used the Air 2S for my drone service company, and the clients love the products it produces. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to get into the drone business without spending thousands of dollars on their first drone. If you're willing to spend a little more, the newest drone in DJI's Air series is the Air 3. The DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo with DJI RC2 is just a little more than the Air 2S, costing $1,549. There are some trade-offs between the two drones with regards to size and capabilities, but overall, I have found the Air 3 to be the preferred model over the two as long as you buy a set of ND filters. Our final pick in this category is the Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro version 3 rugged bundle at $2,500. Our friends at Autel Robotics gave us the chance to fly this drone earlier this year and we loved it. It's easy to fly, comes with a Sony 1-inch CMOS sensor and 6K HDR video capabilities. This particular bundle comes with a drone, a remote, with a built-in screen, extra batteries, and a rugged hard case. For the best drones under $5,000, we have 2 recommendations: the DJI Mavic 3 Classic and the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. DJI quality is hard to beat. It's no wonder they have such a large portion of the consumer drone market. Both of these drones are well below $5,000 and worth every penny. The DJI 3 Classic with DJI RC will set you back $1,749. The 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera has Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, or HNCS, which delivers vivid natural colors, allowing you to capture breathtaking images during your flights. Flight times max out at 46 minutes, giving you plenty of time to capture the world around you. If you're willing to spend a little more to get a lot more, we recommend the DJI Mavic 3 Pro with DJI RC for $2,199. When compared to the Mavic 3 Classic, there are many similarities, but the main difference is you get 3 cameras with the Pro versus the one with the Classic. In addition to the 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, you also get a 1/1.3 CMOS medium telecamera and a 1/2 CMOS telecamera. You can capture images up to 48 megapixels with those, where the Classic can only get 20 megapixels. In our last category, we are recommending 2 drones over $5,000. These drones are good for people looking to use drones for serious work such as thermal inspections, mapping, or in fields like law enforcement and search and rescue operations. Our first pick is the Teledyne FLIR Cirrus thermal drone, coming in at just under $10,000. FLIR is the industry standard when it comes to thermal imaging. Cirrus is affordable, easy to fly, IP54 rated, and comes with an interchangeable payload system for industrial and utility inspections, firefighting, law enforcement, and search and rescue missions. With front collision avoidance, hot swappable batteries, a 31-minute flight time, and no restrictive geofencing, professional UAV pilots love this drone. The RGB camera offers 16 megapixel pictures and delivers clear pinpoint details with 120x zoom. The FLIR thermal camera has a resolution of 640 by 512 pixels and is radiometric, which provides sharp thermal imagery, 5x digital zoom, and accurate temperature measurement. Our final pick is the DJI Matrice 30T Worry-Free Plus combo for $10,587. The 30T integrates wide, zoom, and infrared cameras with a laser range-finding sensor. It has IP55 ingress protection, is lightweight and portable, and offers a max flight time of 41 minutes. If you are an enterprise user, it also works with the DJI dock. The drone is a balance of power and portability, delivering higher operational efficiency for some of the most demanding applications out there. So there you have it, our list of some of the best drones out there which you should consider for end-of-the-year purchases. Do you fly any of these drones, or are you planning on getting any of them for yourself or someone else? Let us know in the comments. From all of us here at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.